The new pack is the Highlander Pro Forces 44. I did have a look at the 33 as well, because it's basically replacing my British Army NI pack, which was brilliant, but it had no stiffness in the back at all. It just flopped down, which wasn't the end of the world, but I wanted molly attachments on it so I could add something on the front, like mostly a canteen pouch, because I just couldn't quite get enough stuff in it. But the size of the bag I quite liked. The Pro Forces 33 should be the same size, but it was smaller, because I think that NI pack is a lot bigger than what they say it is. I think it's supposed to be like 30 litre or 35, but it's bigger than that. The 44 is more equivalent. The only thing is, with the Highlander one, the side pockets are not as big, and that's one of the really good things about the NI pack. Them side pouches are massive, so I could fit my basher. I could have fit the DD tarp in the side pouch by itself. That way, if it gets wet, just put it in the side pouch. It's isolated from everything else, and your side pouch works as like a stuff sack. You just stuff it in. And unfortunately, it's just a little bit too big to get in the side pouches of the Highlander, so it's sort of messed up my system a bit. It hasn't worked, but I think the basher may fit in there. I'm not sure. So if you are in a similar predicament, I would get one of the NI Patrol Pack copies, like Combat UK, I think, do one. There's a couple of other companies that do it. They're not going to be the same toughness and quality of the proper issue British Army one, but it'll have the molly on the front, which is really handy. You put your canteen pouch on there, brew kit, it just saves a lot of space in the pack. I would say, for the money, it's a bloody good pack for the price, you know. The only thing I could say are missing really is the load carrier straps on top, so it might not be comfortable for everyone on a really long distance, or a long distance hike sort of thing. And obviously you ain't got the back adjustments and all that like you've got with a modern sort of Osprey or whatever. But these packs have only been really tough. They actually use these in a lot of their Pro Force gear on SAS Who Dares Wins, the TV show, because they're really tough, and they just, apart from Army issue, is probably the best thing you're going to get for budget cost, you know. Obviously, unless you go spending hundreds and hundreds on really high-end gear, like the Caramore SF stuff or something, but for similar price to surplus, you're getting a really good bag. I'll do a separate video on this, I think, but this is a Helicontex sort of brew kit pouch, canteen pouch. So I've got that mollied onto the front. It's pretty secure. I just shoved this little one on. This is just a little like EDC pouch sort of thing, and I just mollied that on so I could put some hand sanitizer and toothbrush and little sort of easy to get to bits. I had a hand wipe in there, some hand warmers, and then this is off of the British Army. I can't remember what they call it now. It's like a little haversack pouch sort of thing that doubles as a gas mask thing, and it's like a giant, I call it like a giant canteen pouch, where you could fit all your food supplies in there for a couple of days. And these are on the side of it. I think it's like a grenade pouch or something. Field pouch, flap pouch, field pack. Official British Army issue. I've mollied that on the side as well. That just takes all my tent pegs and stuff.